Hey guys, it's me, Chris, again with investingwithchris.com. And real quick, I wanted to get this video out to you guys. I'm out of the office, but it's vital that you go into the next step of your investing ventures, and that is getting a broker, picking the right broker. And I'm going to recommend you for the fact that I use TD Ameritrade. They're very good to me. They're good with their customer support during the day. You submit a ticket and they usually answer within about 5 to 10 minutes within the platform itself. And I'm going to talk to you about the platform as well. But when picking a broker, you do have to consider the fees that are associated with each trade or each investment. And when you get into buying and selling stock options, it can get pricey. So I would recommend you go with TD Ameritrade for the fact that they have several investment portfolios or several types of accounts that you can set up or choose from to set up, such as IRAs, margin accounts, cash accounts. And another thing that I would recommend is you setting up a cash account. I wouldn't recommend, as a new investor, setting up a margin account. And what a margin account is, it will allow you to leverage the money that you have in your portfolio. Say if you put in $10,000 into your account, they're going to allow you, I think, 15 to 25,000. I don't really know right offhand the number, but they give you a certain amount over of your cash value, and that's so you can make bigger investments. I hate to use the word trade, but you do. There are times you're going to trade stock options, but for the sole purposes of this video, I just want to keep it simple. So that's one of the things that I'm going to do is recommend TD Ameritrade and the Think or Swim platform. When you use that platform, it's going to allow you to trade and invest simulated trades. And I would suggest you at least put in $100 into your account so that you get live feeds or live data feed, and that is updated real-time ticker or stock prices and whatnot within the market. If you don't, it's going to be delayed about 3 to 5 minutes. So I would suggest you at least fill your account with about $100, and then I would also recommend you within that Think or Swim platform, which I'm going to provide you courses and videos as well. Excuse me, at another time, how to utilize this Think or Swim platform. There's multiple things to do with that platform. You can analyze stocks, you can set up scans, you can set up chart studies and whatnot. There's a whole bunch of things that you can do. So I would say, like I said, stick to TD Ameritrade, and it's called Think or Swim platform. Drop your email down below, because what happens is I do get a referral bonus, and I'm going to split that with you, okay? Once again, just drop in your email or send me a direct message, however you want to, and I'll send over you the invite to TD Ameritrade. So another thing is, when you use that platform, like I said, let's drop back a second to the paper account. I would suggest at least 1 to 2 years of simulated trading before you get it diving into your real money, because when you get into paper simulated trading, you've got the personal emotion that is involved when you go with your real money. So I just want to basically get you understanding the habits and the trading patterns of certain companies. I want you to watch companies like Apple. Their ticker symbol is AAPL. Google, GOOG, and also GOOGL. Facebook, which is FB. Microsoft, MSFT. And Amazon, AMZN. I want you to start watching those stocks and how they flow within the market. You know, watch when their earnings come out. Watch when they sell off, and how much they rise again, how much they lower when there's a sell-off. The times of the month or specific months within the year. You know, this time last year, what did the stock do versus what is it doing today, and whatnot. So anyways, real quick, like I said, the purpose of this video was just to cover over when getting set up with a broker. Look at multiple brokers, research them, see what they have to offer, take in the associated commission fees, because brokers will charge you, because they're the ones that's exchanging the the stocks and whatnot between individuals. So of course they're not gonna do it for free. But anyways, research that. But I would suggest TD Ameritrade and the Think or Swim platform, because when you do the paper trade with your real money or your paper trade, there's those options, and you can do a million different things with that platform. Like I said, you can analyze, draw studies, scan, watch news, whatever. It's all in one. So if you got any questions, drop them down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.